Air gradually builds up in radiators. This trapped air stops warm water circulating around your radiator. That can make the radiator cold at the top but warm at the bottom. The more air there is in the radiators, the more difficulty the pump will have to pump the hot water around your system. Some radiators may be totally cold. Bleed your radiators when they are cold to avoid possible burns. Have a rag or a tin can ready to capture any escaped jet of water. You should bleed your radiators once a year or more often. It's not a difficult job. So this is already hot. The problem was it was only heating at the very bottom. So this hasn't been bled for a long time. So you heard all that air coming out. And this is probably our highest radiator in the house. So I probably effectively bled the system just by coming to this one. And it's got the newest valve as well, which makes things a bit easier.